Hi, I'm Jo and welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to pop on here today to show you my finished baby garment. And in my last podcast I showed you that I was knitting this lovely cardigan, which is a double knit from King Cole. This is the pattern that I knitted up in 0 to 3 months. And here it is. Oh, it's a bit lighter on screen, but it's quite like a strong pink colour. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Little lacy. Love it. So I'm going to gift that to her tomorrow on the school run, on the Monday on the school run. Got a little gift bag to put it in if it's raining. Hopefully it's not. This weather's been awful lately. So yeah, that's my little cardigan. Love the pattern. I did read the pattern wrong. I should have done 5 rows of rib here on the neck and then 6 on the button band. I did 10 rows of rib, and then I didn't realise until I started knitting on the button band and did 8 rows of button band that I made a mistake. So I kept the 8 rows for the button band so it would match the 10 rows, you know, it would match the 10 rows of the neckband. But super happy with that, super cute. I think my friend's gonna love it. And it will really suit the little baby. It's a little baby girl and she's dinky. She's so tiny. I think she's 3 months old now, but she was born prematurely, so tiny. So that's a finished object, and today and the rest of this week I'm gonna film snippets of what else I've been wanting to work on. I'm gonna do like a video of how much can I knit in a week. My daughter goes back to school this week after being poorly, so I'm hoping I can get quite a bit of knitting done this week after the housework and all of that sort of thing. So if you like that sort of thing, follow along. I shall do a little update in the middle of the week, so see you then. Hi and welcome back. I'm just sat here knitting on my gansey. It's horrible weather out there today. The rain is now coming. It's got a bit dark. It's not very nice out there at all. Today's Wednesday the 4th of Feb, and I thought I'd just give you an update on how I'm getting on with all my knitting, to see how much I can get knitted in a week. I'm currently knitting on the sleeve of my gansey. I think I've got 4 decreases to do, so I'm so happy. I can't wait to finish this sleeve. I shall show you now the progress I've made. I'm just going to finish this row. I started doing this again on Monday. It's now Wednesday lunchtime. Yeah, I think I've done quite a lot of progress. I'm on less stitches now. I have to decrease 2 stitches every 5th round, because it's quite a big sleeve to begin with, and then you keep decreasing right down the whole of the sleeve until I've got to decrease until there's 79 stitches left. So just 1 second and I'll be able to show you. A few more stitches. So I can knit the gansey during the day when my daughter's at school and the lighting's really good, and then the other days I sort of do bigger needles. So here we go. Let's see if I can get it around the right way. So from this white, there we go, from the white marker is how much I've done since Monday. Oh, super happy with that. It's going really, really well. You can see the decreases going up there. Well, hopefully you can. Yeah, so super happy with that. Really, really good. The sleeve's doing. Yay! There we go. Oh, so nearly there. Yay! So that's the gansey. This is how I'm getting on with my double knit Fiesta socks. As you can see from there, I've done that much this week. Since Sunday, I mainly pick it up of an evening before my daughter goes to bed, and then I can just pick it up and put it down when needed, because at night time she quite likes a hug, which is lovely. So yeah, I'm doing really well on that. Not long to go on that one either, which is really good. And this is how much wool I've got left. Oh, it's super soft and cozy. And that will take the whole ball. It will take the whole ball. And I'm left with about that much of yarn left. So that's no wastage there. And the other thing I've been knitting on is an emotional support chicken. This is for a friend's birthday coming up. That weather out there's got worse now. It's really, really dark out there. I'm glad I'm in the warm. This is my start of a chicken. So you do one of these, and it's a lot of wrap and turns. You wrap and turn it, and then you do another one, and then you attach them together, and I've done a 3-needle bind off. You can do it as crochet, but I can't crochet, so it's I tried it and it wasn't very good. Or you can just sew it together. It really depends on, but I've done a 3-needle bind off and it looks quite nice actually. There we go. And then you do 7 rounds of just knitting. Well, you pick up from here, pick up and knit 73 stitches along. So in every ridge you pick up a stitch. You knit 7 rows, and then you attach the new yarn. So this is like a variegated, it's an acrylic, cheap acrylic yarn, but it's a variegated, and I'm always left with some of the wool left at the end. And then you knit 10 rows of this, and then you start shaping it, wrap and turns to do the neck and that. It's a really quick pattern. It's done on 4.5mm needles, and these are pony needles. This is how I learnt to knit. Yeah, really super chuffed with that. So that's my update for the Wednesday the 4th. So I'm just going to get some lunch and carry on and try and finish these decreases of the gansey sleeve. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll get done today. And then I've got another spare day tomorrow to knit, and hopefully I can finish a sleeve by this week. So I should do end of a video. I shall do an end of a video on Sunday and then probably upload it on Monday. So please follow along on this. How much can I knit in a week? So see you on Sunday. Bye for now. Hi, today's Monday the 9th of February. I'm just coming on here today to end the vlog, just to show you how much I've achieved this week on how much I knit in a week video. So I'll just get my socks. I'd already complete one, and it's a ribbed dot sock, DK Fiesta, really nice yarn. So I completed one ages ago, and then I've done that much since Sunday. So that's really good going. I'm on the toe of the sock now. So decreasing, I've got that much left of yarn. So that will soon be done. I will finish that tonight for definite. So that's really good. I'm doing a size large. For DK socks, it's 56 stitches. I do my leg portion 4.5 inches. I don't like it I don't like a long sock on my feet. So I'm really super happy with that. They are different dye lots, and I don't know if you can see on camera, but this one's brighter than this pink. But I'm not bothered about that because it's under your boots anyway, isn't it? So I'm really chuffed with that. That's really good. So that's the socks nearly done. I started a chicken, and so I'm up to the neck of the chicken now. There we go. So I do the neck now. So it's a lot of wrap and turns. And it looks like that. Loving the colours. My the friend I'm giving it to, it's his football colours, so that's really good. So yeah, that's really good. I'm really good progress on that. I think I was on the white when I last videoed, so that's really good. So that's that one. So I reckon this week I can finish the sock for definite tonight, and then I can finish my chicken definitely by the end of the week. And then the really exciting news, I finished my sleeve of my gansey. Oh, I am so chuffed. It's I tried it on and it looks really good as well. So this week, yesterday, I picked up the sleeves for the other side, and I've knitted some on that, but as soon as I finish this video today, I'm going to carry on knitting on my sleeve and listen to an audiobook. Yeah, really, really happy. I reckon I can finish this sleeve in a week. When you've done one sleeve, it's a lot of decreasing, but once you've done one sleeve, the second sleeve simply just flies off the needles. So I'm so excited to show you. And I've finished my sleeve. I've got ends to weave in, but so since Monday, I put a stitch marker in since Monday, and I've knitted from the top of the stitch marker up, and I believe it's nearly 11.5 inches I've done this week on the sleeve. And bearing in mind you're decreasing 2 stitches every 5th round, so it's quite a, I don't know if you can see that, it's quite a wide sleeve, and then it tapers into the cuff, so it's tight around so that no water comes in or anything on my gansey. So yay! And I've managed, you can't see much because I haven't really done anything on the other sleeve, but I've managed to pick up, just try and get it in picture. I managed to pick up the other sleeve. It's on the needles. That's really difficult to show you. There we go. There we go. Oh, I love it. It's not as bright as that. It is darker than that. It's like a dark Breton colour. It's coming up quite light on there. So, as you can see, it's quite a big armhole. And then it just gets reduced. And I'm on, oh, there's the gusset here. And then I'm decreasing up so that this will be a diamond going, the gusset going up like that. Yeah, so super happy with that. I can't wait for it to be finished now. Oh, it's going to be so warm and cozy. Like I've said before, it's 100% wool. It's a 5-ply wool, and it's 100% wool. It is itchy. It can be itchy, but after a few washes, my husband wears this all the time, and he doesn't mind. He doesn't say it's itchy at all, so that's really cool. But that much work in a week, yes! Oh, I'm so chuffed. So I've just got to do the other sleeve, and then I do have to block it. It will need it will relax all it will relax all the stitches and that, so you'll see the more stitch and the cables better. Oh, I'm so happy. Yay! For the win. So that's what I've achieved this week, and that's, for me, that's really, really good. I mean, to do 11.5 inches of a sleeve, nearly 11.5 inches of a sleeve, is really, really good. So I shall now have some quiet moments today before I pick the little one up from school, from transport, but I'm so super happy with that. Yay! So that's it for this week. It's at the end of this week, my little girl's got half term, so I can't believe that's come up so quickly. Where did January go? And now it's February, and now it's going to be half term. Nuts, absolutely nuts. So there's not, after this upload of this video today, I'm not going to upload another video for a couple of weeks, because I haven't got anything. I'm not going to be casting on anything new. I'm going to try and get this gansey finished, and I've got another gansey that I'm in the process of knitting, which is a navy blue gansey for my brother-in-law, and I've done about 1 inch of the ribbon at the bottom of his, so that needs some work on it in the next couple of weeks. So I'm hoping I'll have my finished gansey, a finished chicken, finished socks, and some work on my navy gansey, and I'm hoping in 2 weeks' time I'll have a longer traditional podcast to show you of my finished items and how I've got on. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe and comment. Just comment on anything you'd like to know, whether it be about me or my ganseys or anything that I'm knitting. That would be great, because that will really help my channel sort of go off. I have had in the last 48 hours quite a few people view my videos, which I'm really happy with, because it's I'm doing this for the community and just to show how much I can knit, because I love knitting so much. It's just brilliant. So yeah, so see you on the next one. Take care, happy knitting, and see you in a couple of weeks' time. Bye for now.